Obesity, the problem, has reached epidemic proportions in the United States, with 40 to 60% of adults actively trying to lose weight. And for those that are successful, approximately 1/3 will regain weight loss in just 1 year. If you're struggling to maintain weight loss, adopting a long-term intervention strategy is crucial. In this video, I will discuss practical and evidence-based approaches to help you not only lose weight, but to keep it off permanently. Hi, I'm WallyDavid. Thanks for stopping by. I post new videos weekly. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for updates. Daily weighing. Frequent self-monitoring, such as daily weighing, allows people to detect early trends in their weight and to address upward fluctuations promptly. Early detection can prevent small gains from turning into significant setbacks, such as large amounts of weight gain rapidly. In addition to this, daily weighing has a psychological impact on eating habits. For example, if you weigh yourself every day and you notice the scale slowly starting to creep up a few pounds, you're going to be more self-conscious about the foods you are eating. This means automatically holding back on the carbs, snacks, and junk food. It's kind of like how people's spending habits change shortly after checking their account balance. The lower the balance, the less you spend. Adopting a meal plan strategy. Having a meal plan strategy reduces impulsive eating and reliance on convenience or unhealthy options. It also helps individuals stick to healthier food choices and avoid overindulgence. For example, if you just got off work and you're starving, you're unlikely to go home and cook chicken breast and broccoli, or you can just pull into the nearest McDonald's. And it's these situations that cause large variations in people's normal calorie intake. With meal planning, you are controlling the proportion by determining the size and composition of meals, and this helps individuals to manage their intake effectively. As an added bonus, I like to set my meal plan to a deficit of about 900 calories, which comes out to about a quarter pound a week. And this serves as more insurance against fluctuations in calories. Adopting a strength training and aerobic exercise routine. Resistance training helps to preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss, preventing a decline in metabolic rate. Studies show that resistance training can boost basal metabolic rate by up to 7% daily. In essence, the more muscle you have, the calories you burn at rest, and the easier it is to stay lean. Also, regular exercise plays a crucial role in burning calories. It contributes to a negative energy balance necessary for weight maintenance. This can act as a further buffer against increase in overall calorie intake and support metabolic health. Furthermore, cardio should be included in the exercise routine to create a negative calorie balance. I like to set up my cardio also to create a week deficit of 900 calories or a quarter pound. Adopting an emergency diet plan. Tiny amounts of weight gain is commonplace during the maintenance phase. An emergency weight loss strategy can serve as a quick reset after periods of overindulgence or setbacks, helping individuals to get back on track. It can also prevent a temporary lapse from turning into a period of weight regain. A successful weight loss maintenance strategy should incorporate specific parameters for emergency weight loss. This means specific guidelines for when you should come off the maintenance phase and temporarily resume dieting. A good rule of thumb is to maintain at least 75% of the weight loss during the cutting phase before resuming the dieting phase. For example, if you lost 25 pounds of fat during the weight loss phase, you will stay in maintenance until you gain over 6 pounds. And at this point, you resume dieting until you lose those 6 pounds. So if you went from 200 pounds to 175 pounds, you're gonna stay in maintenance from 175 pounds to 181, and then you resume. Well, there you have it. That concludes the video. Hopefully you gained a lot from that. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video for more updates. See you all in the next video. Peace.